We are a one-of-a-kind content writing service offering high-quality writing services at reasonable prices. Managed, written, and implemented not only by professional writers, but also by native language experts which put together a perfect blend to offer you the best possible results with minimal or no revisions. We believe that customers are our priority and have therefore made it our mission to offer the best possible results to our clients. By hiring passionate writers, we have managed to gain a strong foothold in the industry and a loyal client base that keeps coming back for more. We provide unlimited free revisions to our customers. Why do you need to use our services? Content is king. It's the lifeblood of your marketing department and a crucial part of any online marketing strategy. By using the skills of our content writers, you can deliver high-quality optimized content to keep your site relevant, be more visible in search engines, and entice repeat visitors who are looking for new information. Reasons to choose our premium content writing services. 1. Easy to use. Instead of endlessly searching for freelance writers and haggling over price, let us match your project with writers from our workforce who are best suited to your needs. Just tell us what you need and watch the writing begin. 2. Fast turnaround. Our writers take turnaround times seriously, so most orders on our marketplace are completed within 24 to 48 hours. If you need one piece of high-quality content created quickly or you're looking to scale up, our workforce will make it happen. 3. High quality. Every completed order on our platform is scored for quality. Writers who perform well are promoted, and those who don't are demoted. It keeps our writers motivated to deliver top-notch content that will help you succeed in your content marketing goals. Here is the complete list of services we provide: ghostwriting, review writing, blog articles, freelance writing, product description writing, copywriting, content writing, article writing, SEO writing, other writings. Website content writing is an important part of your online marketing strategy. GetProwriter provides professional website content writing services, web page creation, web copywriting, SEO web copywriting, web content services, and web design content for your business. Our network of creators ensures high-quality, well-written articles that will help you engage your clients and prospects. Hurry up! Visit our site to enjoy our affordable writing services.